Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and in today's video we're going to talk about 5 common errors that new shoppers or just shoppers in general make over at Walgreens. They have many different rules, and the second that you kind of put one of these nuances on the back burner, or you forget, or you get a phone call or a text, or you get into a lively conversation with another customer or a cashier, you sometimes might forget something and it's going to cost you money. So, this video is just a quick refresher, 5 tips on how to have the most amount of success when shopping over at Walgreens. My first tip is to pay attention, meaning if you're going to bring somebody shopping with you and you're going to just chit chat, chatty chat, you got to pay attention to your bottom line, which is your wallet and how much you're going to put into this. Because sometimes, you get sidetracked on something, or you're having a conversation, you're not paying 100% attention, and that's when mistakes happen. I really recommend also that you open up the Walgreens app and scan all barcodes to ensure that the digital coupons are attaching. Our digital coupons are a commodity of how we're going to pay for a lot of this stuff, or to get your out of pocket a lot less. And you have to open up the Walgreens app and scan barcodes to ensure that if you're buying like a toothpaste, the flavor that you have, or the body wash that you have, or the hand soap, that the digital coupon is attaching. So in the app, if you look on the right hand side below your personal icon is that little bar with the squiggly lines. You press that and it'll launch this camera that you can actually scan barcodes, and it'll say, yes or no. And then if you're really not sure, throw them into a basket like you were going to do a curbside pickup to see, hey, are they attaching yes or no? And you'll have a definitive answer, because you'll be able to see at checkout, if you just do it through the app, are the coupons attaching or not. Because you know what? If you're missing out on $5, $6 of digital coupons, that's $5 or $6 out of your pocket. And it's unacceptable right now to be paying extra. So just make sure those digitals are attaching. Just like Santa Claus, I can't emphasize it enough that if you're going to go to the store, make a list. All the items you're going to buy, especially if it's a monster of a haul, for all your weekly deals and offers, and then all of your estimated register rewards and Walgreens cash that you're going to be getting back. Because sometimes the pace of it, if there's 10 other customers behind you, you're like, you just want to get out of there. But if you're missing Walgreens cash or register rewards, that is critical. And sometimes stuff like this will sidetrack you. It's happened to me many times. Various offers over at Walgreens. It's all predicated on register rewards, store register rewards, or like the P&G register reward. And if this machine is not green lighted, and you can see there's a green light, your register reward will not print. Perhaps they're out of paper, perhaps they turned it off, perhaps the modem is like not on the internet right now, or who friggin' knows. There's 1,000 different reasons why this machine won't be printing, and when it's not, it's super uber frustrating. Make sure the green light is on, that it's printing, it's not blinking red, because you will not get your register reward. And then you can always listen if other people are getting their register rewards, the customers ahead of you. If you just listen, you can hear them printing out of the machine. And don't be shy to ask the cashier as well. Maybe that's the easiest way to do it. Number 4, the difference between spend and buy deals. So, just an easy way to do this: if you see something like on the left hand side, get back $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend 20 on Gold Bond. This is an old offer. For this one, because the word spend is in there, you have to pay for the balance with your debit card, credit card, not Walgreens cash, as it's a spend offer. It's very similar to like a booster deal. I know that some people hack these deals and use like $1 of Walgreens cash or whatever, depending on your digital coupons. I recommend not doing that, because if you have to call customer service because you made a mistake, customer service will be the first with a smile on their face to say, we're not giving you anything because you used Walgreens cash. That's why. For a buy offer, like on the right hand side, buy however many, get a register reward, or buy 2 shaving creams, get $5 in register or Walgreens cash. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash, like roll it, if the word buy is in the verbiage. Devil is in the details over at Walgreens. And for the final tip I have for you, that's a common error over at Walgreens, it's your register rewards. I actually did this a couple weeks ago where I had one expire on me and I just wasn't paying attention to the dates. What I recommend is after your shopping haul to look at the dates and really pay attention. I'm just going to tell you something right off the bat that I thought was bizarre. The one on the left-hand side, that P&G manufacturer register reward, it had 2 days before it expired, which I don't really understand. So that expired and I lost out on $5. And we're not in a position right now to, just give these away. So often check those dates. You don't want a bunch expiring in your wallet. And with these tips, I wish you the most amount of success over at Walgreens.